Have you ever wondered how much you can actually earn in the legal transcription field? Whether you're a curious newbie or already dabbling in the world of keyboard typing, let's break down the numbers and uncover the potential earnings in this profession. Spoiler alert, with the right skills and strategy, the earning possibilities are pretty compelling. Hey there! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of legal transcription. From typing rates to earning tips, we'll unpack how you can turn your keyboard into a serious income generator. Let's jump right in. Legal transcription is all about transforming spoken words from legal proceedings, depositions, or other audio and video sources into accurate, readable text. Typically, a proficient transcriptionist can produce around 17 pages per hour. For a 2-hour recording, that's roughly 100 pages per day, give or take. It doesn't stop there. Proofreading is key, as accuracy is non-negotiable in the legal field. A full workday, including typing and proofreading, comes out to about 8 hours. Multiply that by 5 workdays a week, and you're looking at over 500 pages completed weekly. Here's where it gets exciting. Your income is directly tied to your page rate, which varies depending on the client or company. Even starting out at a modest $1.50 per page can land you close to $40,000 annually. Step it up to $3 a page and you're approaching $80,000 a year. High-paying gigs, with rates of $4 per page, could push you well over $100,000. And that's just the base rate. Many companies double their rates for same-day turnaround work. So if you're organized and efficient, those rush jobs could significantly boost your income. The secret to earning big? Find high-paying clients and keep your workflow steady. Prioritize projects with faster turnarounds for higher rates. While it might be intense at times, the payoff is worth it. Make sure you have the right tools, shortcuts, and training to streamline your process. And don't forget to keep building your network. You'll want a consistent stream of work to avoid downtime. So, is legal transcription worth it? Absolutely. With a bit of hustle, smart strategy, and dedication, it can be a lucrative career choice. Get to know some successful legal transcriptionists. Watch this.